Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and starting the install. Make sure your phone has enough free space and the OS is up to date. This prevents interruptions. Once done, grant the minimal permissions the extension requests. Storage and microphone are common, so it can function. Next, open the App Store or the app's own marketplace and locate the extension package. Tap Install or Add. You'll see progress and brief permission dialogues. This gets the extension onto your device and ready for configuration. You now move into configuration so the extension works as intended. Open the host app settings, find extensions, and toggle the new entry on. This activates core functionality. Then adjust preferences, choose notification behavior, set sync intervals like 15 minutes, and specify what data the extension can access. If the extension requires an account, sign in or link it now. This often unlocks personalized features. Make sure to permit background activity, so syncing and notifications. You wrap up by verifying everything works and knowing how to fix common problems. First, run a quick test of the extension's main feature from start to finish so you confirm expected behavior. If something fails, close the app and clear its cache, then reopen and try again. If the issue persists, reinstall the extension or toggle critical permissions off and back on to reset access. Finally, check any in-app diagnostics or logs. They often point to the specific permission or network issue to address.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.